So we have received our monitor LG UltraGear 24GN650B. I ordered it yesterday. Today it was delivered. So let's have a look at the box. So box, it's damaged from this side. Hopefully no inner damage, because that is side where there is thermocol. There is no damage on this side. Some minor damages seems here. Hopefully this is not going to affect the box. I'll take this. Turn this very carefully. This side is fine. So this says that I should open it from here. Amazon had checked it, so I can see a sign here of someone on night of 9/4. So that's good. So let's see that how this is. If Amazon pre-checks things, then that will help us better. Only thing is that as they checked it for the issues that come in monitor, that is light bleed and flickering. Hopefully this is free from all those. So let's see. Be very careful while opening this. DP cable, display cable. There is no HDMI cable given with this, but then interestingly this has two slots for HDMI cable. So this is all the usual. Just a second, beta. This is the warranty function and everything. Keep it here like this. We will come back to this. This is the stand of the monitor. So let's open and see this. Very sturdy one. So let's keep it aside here. And that was the base. This is the stem part of the stand. This is pretty heavy, very sturdy. So I came to know that they are actually using the same stand in their top-end monitors also. So that way this stand, it's an overkill for this monitor, but then good to get a sturdy stand. I think all these tapes must have been put after someone who had checked it. This is for cable management. Here the monitor will be attached. So good, very sturdy, nice one. You can see that it can go up and down. So good. Now let's look at the main thing, that is the monitor. So keep it aside carefully like this. And no, please leave aside. So here is the monitor, and hopefully this is not the side where we saw one bump. So let me just see if that was the side. So this was the side where I saw a couple of bumps. Hopefully it has not affected the monitor. Open it like this. Okay, it should not, because thermocol is protecting this. So hopefully they have not wound it badly while bringing it here. So far looks fine. So now is the time to test for light bleed and other things. This looks nice. Do you like it?
Nice.
So let us begin assembling it. So we have kept the base here now. Okay. So that's the base part. Now this is the stem part. So fixing this is easy. You have to just put it like this. this is actually something that I really like, the mechanism that you can, they have given this kind of screws, so you don't need any screwdriver or anything to tighten it. You simply start moving this and it's done. This is very good idea actually. This is my second LG monitor. The first one I have in my office. So now this is done. Ready. You can see Ultra here. So yes, now is the part where I fix this with that. So all I need to do is actually fit in the notches and done. It's ready. So now you can see the monitor is ready to be used. So putting this, assembling this was super easy peasy, and then I really like the design. Only thing that concerns is that it is going to take too much space, though my desk is pretty huge. This is one from IKEA, but then still it will take a lot of space, so I need to make some arrangements. Now we are attaching the DP cable. I will check later with HDMI cable also. So this DP cable is actually somewhat shorter than what I have with my Dell monitor. So I would have appreciated had they given slightly longer cable, but then these are the new ways through which companies are cutting cost. So where is the DP cable port? It's here on this side. So DP cable. So this is in. This part is locked. Now let's put it in here. For the first time I am seeing this kind of adapter in a monitor. Before that I haven't seen this. My other LG monitor, it directly takes in a power cable, but then possibly this has some different requirements. So that's why they have given this kind of adapter. So let's find the port for this adapter. So now press the button. So see my system jump to life, and then see something happening here. I will make this background darker. Just a second.